talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Doordash app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Doordash app, or just click on search. Then here at Doordash app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on force stop, then you click on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then here you search for Doordash app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking